Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to pay with Venmo at Walmart. I will show you exactly how to do it. First, head over to walmart.com and start by adding the items you want to your cart. Once you have added your items, click continue to checkout. Here, enter your shipping address and other details if prompted or confirm your existing one. Now you will reach the payment section here. Look for the Venmo option right there. If it's visible, just tap it and follow the prompts. If you don't see Venmo listed, no worries. Just choose credit card or debit card as your payment method. Now grab your Venmo details, like enter the details like name, card number, expiration date, and CVV, just like a normal credit card. Once all your Venmo card info is in, click save or continue and proceed with the payment. And that's it. That's how you can pay with Venmo at Walmart either directly or by using your Venmo debit card. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy tech tips.